Maraming benepisyo ang pagtatanim. Pwede itong pagkuhanan ng makakain o kaya naman ay pangkabuhayan. Pero alam nyo ba na habang tumatagal, kakaunti na lang ang mga interesado sa farming? Yan ang problemang tutugunan ng science and technology. Ano nga ba itong bagong imbensyon upang matulungan ang ating mga kababayang banana farmers? Alamin natin yan sa adventure na ito ni Diego.
Alam niyo ba, ang Pilipinas ang second largest exporter ng saging sa buong mundo? Ayon sa latest Banana Market Review ng United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, 2.3 million metric tons ang in-export ng Pilipinas last 2022. Pero after 2019, pababa na ang bilang ng in-export na saging ng bansa. Dahil yan sa high cost ng inputs at fertilizer. Gayun din ang pag-spread ng banana fusarium wilt, isang fungal disease na nakakaapekto sa banana plantation. Ito ang naging inspirasyon ng Department of Science and Technology o DOST para i-develop ang Roamer. Samahan niyo ako, alamin natin kung ano nga ba ang project na ito.
What is up? This is Diego with a J. Back with another adventure packed with stories of how science, technology, and innovation is continuing to shape and change our nation. We have an amazing and pretty exciting story for you guys today, courtesy of none other than the people of DOST. We're gonna deep dive into a field that I know that a lot of you know because of its significant impact on how we live on our day-to-day lives. From medicine, entertainment, education, and even inside our households. This is robotics. And we have a special treat for you because we spoke with a DOST expert on the wonders of their project involving these amazing inventions. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako para balikan yung interview na to sa DOST expert. Doc, maraming salamat po for having us and thank you so much po for your time. Ano nga po ba yung Roamer? Is that po ba an abbreviation for something or yun na po talaga yung pangalan mismo ng technology or ng mismong project ninyo?
The Roamer project, basically, what we are trying to develop here are mobility systems for the ground, for the field, and at the same time, autonomous robot technology so that this Roamer robot can operate in the field autonomously with minimal human supervision. Roamer is our test bed for autonomous robot technologies for ground robots. Essentially, the proof of concept now application is in the field of banana, so banana plantations. Right now, Roamer is being developed, provide important information about the banana fields. So one of the main purposes of Roamer is to automate these kinds of applications of dangerous chemicals. It can roam or survey a banana field on the ground, and then it can collect information on whether there are diseased bananas, yung disease detection. So it uses computer vision to determine whether the banana has a disease or not. So combination of AI, which is embedded dun sa computer vision, to help it recognize which bananas have disease and which ones are healthy.
Look, itong Roamer nyo na, kasi mo, ang napag-usapan natin is mostly for banana farmers. Meron din po bang ibang plantations na pinagagamitan po yung technology na to or specifically pa lang po siya sa bananas?
The robot can actually be reconfigured to do several kinds of missions. So even now, if we reconfigure the mission module, we can actually do search and rescue, for example. So right now, the platforms are being developed that should be able to traverse very rough terrain. So even ang banana plantation sa Mindanao, marami siyang kanal, yung mga ganon. It's very, very hard to traverse. They are developing all-terrain platforms that will be able to traverse other rough conditions as well.
Doc, again, maraming salamat po for your time, yung pong pagkukwento niyo po sa amin. So I think this could be a big help sa kanilang plantation, and hopefully ma-spread out niyo pa po siya sa buong bansa or even sa buong mundo. Thank you po, Doc. So ngayon na nakausap na natin ang ating DOST expert na si Sir Joe, nalaman natin sa kanya kung ano nga ba talaga yung project na to. Itong roamer, ito yung on the ground na ginagamit nila kapag meron silang nakita on the aerial view na pwedeng puntahan or dapat puntahan at mas makita pa ng mas malapitan.